Hello everyone! Welcome back to How Bisayas Say It versus Americans Say It. I'm Josephine, your teacher.
And I'm Reynold, the guy who always gets lost.
Perfect for today's topic. We're talking about directions, how Bisayas say them versus how Americans do.
I already know this one's gonna be funny.
Oh, it is. Because Bisayans love using landmarks, not street names.
Right, like turn right after the big tree.
Exactly. So let's explore how Bisayans naturally give directions step by step. Part 1. Where is it? Let's start simple. In English, we say, where is it? In Bisaya, we say, asa mana?
Asa mana.
Perfect. Asa means where. Man adds a friendly tone like, so where is it then? Na means that. So literally, where that is. Let's say it again slowly. A, sa, man, not. You can also say asa dapita, which means where exactly.
Oh, like which part?
Yes, let's try both together. Asa mana? Asa dapita.
Asa dapita.
Excellent. Part 2, go straight. Next phrase, go straight. In Bisaya, that's diretso lang.
Diretso lang.
Right. Diretso means straight. Lang means just. So literally, just straight. Say it again slowly. Diretso lang.
Diretso lang.
And if you want to sound polite, you can add sa unahan, meaning ahead. Diretso lang sa unahan. Go straight ahead.
Diretso lang sa unahan.
Excellent. Now, if someone asks, asa man ang mall? You can answer, diretso lang sa unahan. Let's practice. Asa man ang mall?
Diretso lang sa unahan.
Nice. Part 3, turn left and turn right. In English, we say turn left or turn right. In Bisaya, liko sa wala. Turn left. Liko sa tuo, turn right.
Liko sa wala. Liko sa tuo.
Very good. Liko means turn. Sa wala means to the left. Sa tuo means to the right. Let's say them slowly. Li, ko, sa, wa, la. Li, ko, sa, tu, o.
So, wala is left and tuo is right.
Exactly. Now remember, wala also means none in other contexts. So beginners sometimes get confused.
Yeah, like walako means I have none, not I turned left.
True. That's why tone and context matter. Let's do a quick mini drill. I'll say it in English and you say it in Bisaya. Turn left.
Liko sa wala.
Turn right.
Liko sa tuo.
Go straight.
Diretso lang.
Great job. Part 4, it's near, it's far. Next, describing distance. In English, it's near. In Bisaya, it's duol ra.
Duol ra.
Good. Duol means near. Ra means only or just. So it's just near. Let's say it slowly. Duol ra. Now, it's far in Bisaya is layo.
Layo.
Correct. If you want to say it's very far, you say layo kaayo. Let's say both. Duol ra, layo kaayo.
So when a tricycle driver says duol ra, it's probably actually far.
That's true. Duol ra can mean 30 minutes away.
I've learned the hard way.
But yes, always confirm. Part 5. It's beside the, across from. Now, Bisayans love using landmarks. Let's say it's beside the school. In Bisaya, tupad sa eskwelahan.
Tupad sa eskwelahan.
Perfect. Tupad means beside or next to. eskwelahan means school. Say it slowly. Tupad sa eskwelahan.
Tupad sa eskwelahan.
Now, across from or in front of is atubangan.
Atubangan.
Correct. So, it's in front of the market is atubangan sa merkado. Let's repeat. Tupad sa eskwelahan.
Tupad sa eskwelahan.
Atubangan sa merkado.
Atubangan sa merkado.
Nice pronunciation. Part 6. Near the big tree. Landmark style. Now, here's the funny part. Bisayans often say things like, Dool ra sa dakong kahoy. Near the big tree.
That's the one. I've heard that a million times.
Right. Let's break it down. Dool ra, just near. Sa, to or at. Dakong kahoy, big tree. So near the big tree. Say it slowly. Dool ra sa dakong kahoy.
Duol ra sa dakong kahoy.
This is so typical because Bisayans use natural landmarks, not street signs. You'll hear, Dool sa tindahan ni Aling Nena, near Aling Nena's store. Or liko sa balay nga blue, turn at the blue house.
I love that. It's like the community is the map.
Exactly, that's what makes it charming and confusing. Part 7. Go back. You passed it already. Now, what if you miss your turn? In Bisaya, go back is balik. You passed it already is naagian na nimo.
Balik. Naagian na nimo.
Nice. Let's break that one down. Naagian means passed by. Na nimo means by you already. So literally, passed by already you. Let's say it again slowly. Naagian na ni mo.
Naagian na ni mo.
If you're driving and someone says balik, that means turn around.
Oh no, it's too late.
It happens to everyone. Part 8. Funny mini roleplay. Let's do a short roleplay again, Bisaya style.
All right, I'm the lost one again, right?
Always. Asa man ang mall?
Diretso lang sa unahan, liko sa wala after sa dakong kahoy.
Dakong kahoy? Which tree?
Karang dakong kahoy debit sa tindahan ni Aling Nana.
Of course.
Kung mamiss ni mo, balik lang.
Now let's say it slowly for our listeners. Asa man ang mall?
Diretso lang sa unahan, liko sa wala after sa dakong kahoy.
Dakong kahoy? Kanang dapit sa tindahan ni Aling Nena.
Kung mamiss ni mo, balik lang.
That's a perfect example of real Bisaya directions. Simple, friendly, and no GPS needed. All right, everyone, that's it for this segment, how Bisayans give directions and why you might still get lost. In our next and final segment, we'll wrap up with funny everyday sayings, short expressions that show Bisaya humor and attitude.
I can't wait for that one.
Then I'll see you there. Until next time, magkita ta pohon!
Bye-bye.